Listen to this track, bitch.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Ronte. We back in this. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing how to clean your belly button piercing after you just got it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification. And let's get into the video. All right. So don't mind the gut, but I had this piercing for a couple days now. Make sure you wash your hands before you touch or do anything, because you do not want an infection, because belly piercings are easy to get an infection, so always keep your hands clean. Second, you're gonna need, you can put water and add a little salt and shake it up, or you can use saline. And don't forget to get a gauze or a Q-tip. So that's what we're gonna use today, is the Q-tip. So since I had it for about almost a week, the process starts to heal. So as you can see, it's kind of looking dry and everything. And you want to make sure you keep this clean for about 2 times a day. Make sure you clean, because you do not want an embed infection. So what we're going to do is stick the Q-tip in. Okay. Drain the excess water and the salt. Go ahead and close it. Right? So then we're gonna push it up just a little bit. And then we're gonna wipe around gently. As you can see, you're gonna clean around gently, because it's still gonna be sore, which it is. Clean around there really, really good. It's gonna be swollen for a while, so it's very tender. You're gonna push down just a little bit, not too hard. Try not to move it around a lot, because that can cause more inflammation and everything. And you want it to heal the right way to get the process to go faster, because mostly belly piercings take, I heard, over a year or so to heal. But that's really all you do, is just clean around to look good. Do not use scented soap. I use Dove unscented, sensitive, to clean it. And just, that's all you do. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah.